So first of all, you click on deposit Ghana cedis, any amount you are just depositing. Then you continue. Then after continuing, you just enter the amount. You can see it is 112 Ghana cedis and above. So you can just press this one. This one is not necessary right now. So you just do that one because there's no matching offer for our low depositing. We have to go to P2P. So at the P2P right now, we will now choose the seller that we want. There are many sellers here and they have ranges. Some, but because we are depositing low, we have to choose any seller that have that low range. So we will now go, we enter our amounts 120 cedis, then we buy USDT. Now we are here and you can see if you enter inside that message box, you see that the condition of the seller is there. You have to allow cash out before the seller can be able to release the USDT for you. So I'll just for me to make sure that he's online, I have to give him my number and ask him whether I should allow. So at this point, we are just going to wait for his feedback, and you see the timer up there is that one that is if it counts down, then that means your order will be cancelled. So you have to be fast. That's why you have to make sure that the person is available. But right now, I'm allowing cash out right now. It doesn't matter wherever you are watching this video from. You can do the same, but mine is it depends on what I can do. But you can see right now he has replied me, then I replied him back with a done. That means I'm done with my live cash out. So it depends on the condition your seller is trying to put in place. So now we are just waiting for the pop-up. If you're in Ghana, you know how cash out is done. So right now I'm approving, then I'm done approving. The money is sent right now. So the money, if after the money is sent, I'll now wait for him to release the USDT. Meanwhile, I have to go and take a screenshot of what I just did for this involved for proof. So I have to just take this screenshot right now. Then I'll go back to the platform. Then I'll be sending it inside the chat. So I have to go to my gallery and load it to the chat. After that, you will check everything and able to be evidence, even though he will get a message, but you have to still screenshot in case it is cancelled. I'll be talking about that one another time when you are done sending, but you miss this place. So you just go ahead and click the make payment at the top, then you click transfer, notify seller. So as you are done there, it will now give the seller a prompt to release the USDC for you. So we will now wait and see what is going to happen. So now you can see right now, guys, I'm still having my 39 cents dollars that I used to have. So we are just going to keep on refreshing to see whether we are on the right path or is the USDT released. So right now we are just on it, and let's see. All right, guys, you can see I've waited and now it is released, and now we are having $49 right now, guys. So this is just simple as that.